Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your Wix site. This is an essential skill for creating a well-connected, user-friendly website that helps visitors navigate seamlessly between your content, whether that's different pages, external websites, or downloadable documents. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to your site management area. Now you'll be able to see all the websites you have associated with your Wix account. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific website where you want to add your links. Once you've found the right site, you're ready to move forward with the editing process. On this page, locate the Edit Site button, which is typically positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to making changes and customizations to your site. Click on it to open up the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix Harmony editor, which is where all your customization and design work takes place. This is the central hub for building and refining your website's look and functionality. Familiarize yourself with the layout as we'll be working within this interface for the next few steps. From here, locate the Add Element menu on the top left corner of your screen. This menu gives you 3 different options for adding links to your site, and we'll walk through each one. First, we'll add a link through text. From the Add Elements menu, select and drag a text block onto your page. Click on the text block to activate it, then highlight a specific word or phrase. Common link words include see more, explore, learn more, or get started. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, click on the link icon in the top customization panel. Then click on Choose a Link and a right side menu will appear. This is where you can customize your text block link to point to a page, section, web address, or document. Choose whichever option best suits your needs. Now for the second method, we'll use an image. Locate the Add Element menu on the top left corner again, and this time choose Image from the options presented. You can drag one of the stock images provided or upload your desired image. For this tutorial, we'll use a stock image since the procedure is identical whether you're using Wix's library or uploading your own. Once the image is positioned on your page, locate the link icon on the top customization panel again. Click on Choose a Link and once more, a right side menu will appear. Here you can customize this image block link to direct visitors to a page, section, web address, or document. Select what works best for your site's purpose. Now for the third and final method, locate the Add Element menu on the top left corner one more time. This time we'll use a button. Look for the button menu and drag one onto your site. Once it's placed, locate the link icon on the top customization panel again. Click on Choose a Link and the familiar right side menu will appear. This is where you customize your button link to connect to a page, section, web address, or document. Choose the option that best fits your design and navigation goals. And that's it. You now know how to add links in 3 different ways on your Wix site, giving you the flexibility to create an interactive and well-connected web experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.